Yeah, well, this is about the detail, you know?
Hey Santa, Merry Christmas!
Santa Claus,
Take your jacket off.
Okay.
tell me you want a brand new car for Christmas.
Oh, we'll have to go. All right.
Carrie, stop doting.
All right.
I'll let you know when I'm gonna get a new sleigh.
Alright.
Okay.
So what are you gonna ask Santa?
Yeah.
Pictures first.
Oh, pictures first.
Ricky, show your teeth.
Baby.
Ricky, smile.
Whirl, whirl, right to
Oh, that's a good
I'm gonna
one.
get you. I'm gonna get you, die. Look up there, look up there. Go. Keep her looking at the guy.
Great.
Look at the guy, look at the guy. Where's the man with the camera? Look, over here. Smile. Whirl. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, good shot.
Did you tell Santa what you want?
Not
What
yet.
happened?
What do you want for Christmas? She's very general.
Very well. You know what? I know you've been on my
Is it
good
the first
list a
one?
long time,
Jeff.
but you made it again this year.
Oh, yeah, he's not
More
looking.
surprises.
And the second
Wanna
one?
work out for you?
She's not
Yeah,
looking.
Well, listen, I
Crap,
want.
sorry.
And the third one's the best.
There we go.
This one? Stands for package, right?
Please.
Alright, 557
Is there anything else you want to ask me to
Yes.
say to me before I leave? What? What would you like to ask me?
527 or 557.
Oh,
I love you too.
what a nice little girl.
You guys just go shopping at this neighbor here with me.
Okay.
She's seen him every year since she was
The same person?
Same man, same Santa. Sorry, same Santa.
Can I have
Well, same
a,
Santa man.
can I have a hug?
Big hug,
Big
big
hug for
hug.
Big hug.
Oh, very good.
Okay.
Yay!
All right. You just.
Okay, Liz.
Say bye, Santa.
Jack,
She got a